Hi kids, welcome to JollyBubble Kids. Today we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, we did it. Now, let's practice our numbers. Children, count with me. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 oranges, 4 oranges, 5 watermelons, 6 watermelons, 7 strawberries, 8 strawberries, 9 grapes, 10 grapes. Great job, kids! You've learned numbers from 1 to 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe to JollyBubble Kids for more fun learning videos. See you next time! Bye!